backwards.
Just turn around right there.
They're past the road.
Jesus Christ. Whoa. Get out of his fucking blind spot so we can come over, you dumb piece of shit. This guy is so stupid. What the? What the? Whoa! What are you doing? Yeah, that's great. Really? Okay. Jeez. Really? Zero effort. Never. Wow. Why would you do that? Wow. That, whatever that thing is, also shouldn't be on the interstate. Oh, he gonna run a red. Oh shit, that was a red for me too. I thought it was a yield. Green light, don't do that.
That's so true.
Please stop, please stop.
Ooh.
He's just going so slow and not moving out of the way.
Damn.
And now he's trying to play games too. It's like everybody else. And that guy. Don't turn left, don't turn left, don't turn left. This guy can't fit in the turn lane. Jeez, y'all. Such a nice downtown area.
Absolutely. I hate when people...
Oh wow, that guy just ran the light. I don't have anywhere to go. Great.
Keep left in 4 miles.
Actually,
What
how
is this car
stupid
doing?
are you?
What is this Subaru
What
doing?
a absolute retard. I hope everybody just lays on the horn. I've never seen that. Signaling, there we go. What the fuck are you doing? Guess nobody wants to go. What the fuck are you doing? Just get in the turn lane in the first place. What are you doing?
So this is like forcing us to do a lot of the dirty work now.
Yeah.
Retarded. Where are you going? I'm so slow.
That dude. 24-3 the dude.
Road warrior. I like that. Bro, your headlights ain't on. Another driver without headlights. Okay, they didn't make it. Oh! What the fuck? Fucking idiot turkey. Why did you take this way if you wanted to go all the way to the left? Both of y'all.
And that's an illegal left turn. Another illegal left turn. Uber driver.
He's gonna stop in the lane instead of going straight and pulling into the pull-off right in front of Darla.
I-20, Florence, Augusta.
I don't mean. Really?
Why is she running
I
like
don't
right
know.
on the
You have
freaking
like a
road?
10-foot shoulder.
Yeah,
Yeah,
like,
it's like,
what?
all right, I'm gonna step in a 50-mile-an-hour traffic.
Like you're supposed to run that direction, but not like on the
On
other side of
the-
the like.
House, beach house, if we need to.
That's
And I'll,
hilarious.